May bagong bukas na hidden gastropub dito sa Antipolo, malapit lang sa Marikina. At grabe, sobrang worth it puntahan. Soft opening pa lang pero literal na hidden gem na agad. Pagpasok mo pa lang, panalo na ang ambience. Very cozy, perfect pang chill, pang date at pang barkada nights. Masarap ang food, solid ang cocktails, magaling ang bartender at yes, may premium at high-end drinks din sila. Plus may DJ pa, kaya from chill vibes, pwedeng-pwede hanggang party mode. At dito nga lang yan sa Backroom Gastropub. Matatagpuan sa Crisostomo Street, Sumulong Highway, Antipolo. Malapit lang sa Marikina kaya easy puntahan. Ito pala yung mga must try dito. Liampo Crunch, Crispy Pork Belly Bites to na with kimchi. Perfect balance ng alat, asim at crunch. Sisig ala Backroom. Kapampangan style chopped pork sisig with calamansi, chili, egg, at crispy rice paper on the side. Ibang level to. Sisig lovers, take note. When it comes to cocktails, my personal fave is the Strawberry Crush. Super sarap, light, and dangerously good. Next naman, itong inasal skewers. Ito yung grilled chicken with annatto oil, atsara at sweet soy. Sobrang sarap ng timpla nito. Sakto ang luto, mapaparami ka talaga ng kain. Ito yung perfect na pampulutan talaga. Yung Chicks Bites. Super crunchy at nakaka-addict. Legit na paulit-ulit mong i-order. Syempre, hindi pwede mawala ang nachos, crispy tortilla, pico de gallo, lime cream, avocado at maraming cheese. Exploding yung lasa sa bawat kagat. Ito kakaiba, yung poutine. Fresh potato fries ito with gravy at cheese curds. Canadian comfort food na perfect partner ng cocktails. Sisig stock, pork sisig, fried egg at soft toasted bun. Classic to na may twist. And for dessert, biscoff mousse. Napaka-creamy, smooth at perfect pang tapos ng meal. Kaya kung hanap mo yung place na kompleto sa vibe, pagkain at drinks, eto na yun. Save the spot, tag your tropa, at kita-kits sa Backroom. Trust me, babalikan mo to and I'm sure babalik ako dito. See you!